今天想要走的是信贤古道，那它离乌来内洞游乐园不远。然后信贤古道全长将近2公里，那网络上的网友是说走起来还蛮舒服的。那我人现在其实就在入口的这个吊桥。那这个古道走起来怎么样呢？我们就来走走看就知道啦。今天的溪水真的是非常的清澈，可以看，很漂亮的溪水。这跟网络上描述的一样，一半碎石子，一半水泥铺装。对啊，听说这个步道沿途会经过很多瀑布哦。今天这第一个是叫做升龙瀑布，哇！已经看到有些山友在这边纳凉了，好爽啊！看一下，哇，这边又有一个瀑布，什么活泼瀑布？这个吗？瀑布也太小了。这个是公共瀑布，太可爱了吧！一个活泼瀑布，一个公共瀑布。我刚从入口的信贤吊桥走过来，感觉应该还走不到15-20分钟吧。然后沿途已经看到了至少3个瀑布，都还蛮不错的。尤其是第一个那个升龙瀑布，哇，那个真的很漂亮。然后沿路都有人沿着瀑布啊。有水的地方啊，休息，自己有带椅子啊，真的是加速席呢。我下次来要考虑不要走，也是带一个椅子来这边放空，是蛮好的。这里有一个人在打坐，不要吵他。其实住在台北真的是蛮幸福的，说方便又方便，什么都有，然后。四周都是山，对啊，像来这边乌来开车，没有塞车的话，30-40分钟，很方便。哦，这个古道真的走起来超轻松的，走到现在还没有碰到任何一处是真的难走的，基本上都蛮平缓。我好像已经走到终点了，看一下，这边好像就是终点了。再走过去，可能就是要往那个内洞国家森林游乐园。从信贤古道另一端的出口继续走到内洞，大概是700公尺。那 Google Map 说用走路大概10分钟内吧。来当地的一座国民小学，在这边上学其实蛮不错的，环境很好。这是我第2次来内洞，第1次是今年还是去年，反正冬天的时候。很漂亮，新北市。好，谢谢。新北市有位置啊，40块，太小了。前面有个小水坝，这应该算是一个水力发电吧。 小型的一个水力发电厂。没错，前面写台电，这是电力公司的。水流蛮湍急的，流到最深处。哇，这是薰衣草。有什么味道？哇，这个水量超丰沛的，比我上次冬天来的时候水量大太多了，漂亮。我待会要往就是森林浴步道，然后应该可以走到上层那边，还有一个观景台，等下到那边就近看瀑布应该。好，那现在就来走森林浴步道。哦，现在来到这个最上层的观景台。好，那现在就要来走森林浴步道啦。哇，这个森林浴步道现在走了大概10几20分钟，都是沿路的陡上，哇，还是蛮呛的。走了才0.4K， 天啊！怎么感觉好像已经走1公里了？这边路比较窄。啊，刚这条森林浴步道走到差不多0.6K 左右，下午还有别的事，所以这全长1.7公里，今天应该是走不完，所以现在就要往回走，出内洞，然后往信贤古道的方向去牵车，大概就先这样子吧。走完整的步道，等之后那个山景步道开放的时候再一起来造访，希望不用等太久。好，来到森林浴步道的起点啦。Okay, for the rest of the footage, I'm going to try to speak English to describe the whole journey. This was suggested yesterday by my sister. She said maybe I can try sometimes a different language. But anyway, I just finished most of the trail walk in the Neidong National Forest Park. And it was a pity because there were actually 2 main trails. One is for the forest trail, another is so-called the Mountain View Trail. But in 1 kilometer of the Mountain View Trail, there was a bridge which was probably destroyed, so it was not able to continue. So for all the tourists to take either trail, you have to take the same trail back to the entrance. And now I'm walking toward the entrance of the Neidong Forest Park, and after that I will keep walking to the Xinxian trail walk, where I parked my car in the entrance of the suspending bridge over there. And the quality of this trail in Neidong is really nice, especially the waterfall. Thanks to the big rain in the last couple weeks, the amount of water, where you could see in the previous footage of my video, was very impressive, to be honest. So I highly recommend all the ones, especially if you are new Taipei citizens. You have the privilege to visit this really convenient and super beautiful national park for only 40 NT dollars. It's like a €1 ticket, and you can literally spend the entire day here. All the facilities were well established. If you're tired, there are plenty of the凉亭, where you could take a little rest, and there are also the toilet inside this park. So give yourself a chance, go out of the place and enjoy the walk in the nature. It's really nice, and most important of all, it really doesn't matter if you are a good walker or runner or not. I mean, because the difficulty level, it's it depends. There's no obligation that you have to finish the entire trail, which is like 1.7 kilometers, and most of them is ascending. So if you're tired, you take a nap rest. If you don't want to keep walking, then go back. Just spend most of the time nearby the waterfall. That was also a great pleasure. Okay, so I think I'm halfway until the entrance, and now I'm walking through again this water electricity plant. It's called the Xinxian water electricity facility. Quite beautiful. Okay, I guess that is the most part of today's vlog, and my sister was also asking me to add the subtitle, but it's totally impossible because I do this vlog just for my own pleasure, and it took too much time to do some after work. For people who might be interested to see my video, usually I took most of my video from my GoPro or directly from my iPhone. Then I loaded all the media into my phone and used just iMovie to very quickly editing the footage. So by cutting all the little videos to the length I want, including adding some music or a little transition effect, usually it will just take about 1 hour, more or less, to finish one video before I upload to YouTube. So it doesn't really very time consuming, unlike most of they call the YouTubers would add a lot of special effect, or especially the subtitle. That is just not for me. So I'm sorry if sometimes the quality of my speaking is not very clear. Then I believe the more I do this, the more I'm able to find a way to express things around me in a simpler and a clearer way. And this is also the fun part of this thing, like, you know, I really highly recommend everyone just to not, you can buy whatever camera you like, but GoPro is really a great one, especially I think its most attractive function is the, how to say, anti-vibration system. So most of the video, even I'm handheld like my GoPro, most of the time the video is still looking quite stable, because if the video shaking a lot, it's very difficult for the people to view or to watch. Certainly I'm going to visit this place soon again, when both the trails are well functioned and open. 哇塞，好夸张哦！这边早上来的时候大概3、4个人，哇塞，现在已经整个客满，大家都在这边乘凉了。这真的还蛮屌。这个厉害，可能在做 SPA。我跟阿伯很厉害呢。